Adamia Therapeutic Repair Hand Cream with Macadamia Oil, 3 ounces, 85 grams. Product Overview Description. Promga 7 Best of Science and Nature Hurting Skin Restored Exceptional Absorption Non-Greasy Fragrance-Free Non-Allergenic Dermatologist Tested Help for Distressed and Thinking Skin Issues. Distressed, cracked, burning, hurting hands need a hand. Find relief with Adamia Registered Therapeutic Repair Hand Cream with Promga 7 Registered. It's the best of science and nature, a blend of proven moisturizers and nature's own natural remedy, macadamia oil. The oil that most closely mimics skin's own oils, resulting in exceptional absorption and hydration. Hurting hands drink it in. And finally the hurt is healed. Suggested use. Liberally apply to distressed hands. For best results use twice daily. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Other ingredients. Water, macadamia integrifolia seed oil, cetyl alcohol, glycerol stearate, hydrogenated macadamia seed oil, dimethicone, PEG-20 stearate, tocopherol acetate, allantoin, allobarbadensis leaf juice, potassium cetyl phosphate, xanthan gum, sodium polyacrylate, citric acid, ethylxylglycerin, trisodium methylenedium and disoxanate, potassium sorbate, phenoxyethanol. Contains sustainably sourced macadamia oil. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.